Chapter 14. Plants around us. Lesson view. Parts of a plant. Root, shoot, seed and germination. Care of plants. Parts of a plant. There are variety of plants around us. Plants are also living things like all of us. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is important for the life on the earth. Root and shoot are the two main parts of a plant. Root. The root grows under the soil. It absorbs water and other nutrients from the soil. There are tiny hair all over the root called root hair. There are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Tap roots. Taproot is a long and thick root. Many fine roots grow from it in the soil. Some examples of taproot are carrots, turnip, and radish. Teaching tips. Tell the students that plants are also living things, so we should not hurt them. Plants make the air pure. Encourage them to plant more and more trees in the surroundings. Fibrous roots. When many roots of different sizes grow from the end of a shoot, it is called fibrous root. Wheat, rice, grass, and onion plants are a few examples of fibrous root. Functions of roots. The roots bind the plant to the soil. The fine hair on the root absorbs water and minerals from the soil and transfer them to the plant. Roots of some plants store food within themselves. We eat the roots of these plants. For example, turnip, beetroot, carrot, and radish. Shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. It consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Stem. A stem holds a plant upright. The stem can be strong or weak. Big trees such as banyan tree has a thick and strong stem called the trunk. On the other hand, money plant and grapevine have soft and weak stems. Such plants either grow along the ground or need support of other plants or walls. Some stems like sugar cane store food. Functions of the stem. The stem holds the plant upright and straight to get sunlight and air. It transfers water and minerals absorbed by the root to the leaves. It also carries the food made by the leaves to all the parts of the plant. Fact file. There are certain stems which remain underground. Sometimes these stems become swollen because they store extra food in them. Potatoes, onions are good examples of stems that store food. Leaf. Leaves are the most important part of a shoot. They are also called the kitchen of the plant because they make food for the entire plant with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight. A leaf has many parts. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. When we look at a leaf carefully, we can see a lot of lines running across it. These lines are called veins. The central vein is called the midrib. On the lower side of the leaf, there are small pores called stomata, singular stoma. Air enters the leaf through the stomata. Functions of the leaves. Green leaves make food for the plant. Leaves give out oxygen, which is essential for life. Most of the leaves appear green because they contain a substance called chlorophyll, which helps leaves to absorb light. Leaves of some plants store food. Coriander, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, etc. are examples of leaves eaten by human beings. Flowers. A flower is the most attractive part of the shoot. A bud on the stem of plant grows into a flower. Perfumes are extracted from sweet-smelling flowers. Broccoli and cauliflower are the examples of flowers that we eat. Fruits. Most of the flowers grow into fruits. Fruits bear seeds. Fruits such as mango and plum have a single seed inside them. Fruits such as orange, apple, lemon, etc. have few seeds. Fruits such as papaya, melon, and watermelon have many seeds. We eat the fruit of many plants. Seeds. Seeds are mostly present in fruits. They are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. We eat seeds of plants such as corn, rice, wheat, gram, etc. They are called edible seeds. Spices such as cumin, black pepper, mustard, etc. are also seeds. They add taste and flavor to our food. New plants grow from seeds. Seed and germination. Seeds have a baby plant called embryo in them. A seed grows into a new plant if it reaches the soil and gets enough water and warmth. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. It helps to protect the embryo from injury and also from drying out. Seed coats can be thin and soft as in beans or thick and hard as in coconut seeds. Temporary food supply is packed around the embryo in the form of special leaves called cotyledons or seed leaves. These generally are the first part visible when the seed germinates. The development of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Care of plants. Plants are extremely useful to us. They provide us food, medicines, oxygen, etc. It is not possible to even imagine life without plants. We can care for them in the following ways. Ensure enough sunlight. Water them regularly. Ensure that the plants get the necessary nutrients from the soil. Trim the plants when necessary, that is, cut off dead flowers and branches. Keep the plant eating bugs away by using insecticides. Key terms. Stomata, tiny openings on the leaf blade which helps the plant to breathe. Chlorophyll, green color pigment present in the leaves of a plant. Cotyledons, tiny seed leaves. Summing up. Root and shoot are two main parts of a plant. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called the root. Taproot and fibrous root are the two main types of roots. Taproot is a long and thick root. Many fine roots grow from it in the soil. When many roots of different sizes grow from the end of a shoot, it is called fibrous root. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. The shoot consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. The lines on the leaves are called veins. The central vein is called the midrib. The seeds that we can eat are called edible seeds. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. The development of a seed into a seedling is called germination.